with you.
And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Hey y'all. Today is Vlogmas day 6, right? Today's the 6th. Hold on, y'all. But y'all, after going out last night, I am exhausted. I'm exhausted. Not exhausted. I'm exhausted. Anyways, so I've been in bed for the most part. I did work on some wigs. My cousin came and picked up her wig. And what else? I showered, the usual. And I just been in bed uploading. Like right now I'm uploading vlog 3 and 4. I did those together. Vlog 5 is going up right after that vlog. And vlog 6, which I'm working on right now, will be up with vlog 7 because today is gonna be a boring day. I'm just gonna do vlog 6 and 7 together. We're gonna wait for the rest of the night, and you guys will just see me do what I do as I do. But today's gonna be pretty chill, really boring, same old, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, all right. Bye, y'all. My brother wants to say hi. Say hi to the vlog. No. Okay. All right, guys, so I cleaned my chicken. If you hate, you already know I got it in that lime, hot water, and then I used vinegar earlier. So yeah, I'm about to take it out, squeeze it, put it in here, and then I'm gonna season the chicken. This water is hot, y'all. So this is how us Haitians clean our chicken. I'm seasoning this up so that I can make it for dinner tomorrow. And my mom is making Haitian spaghetti for dinner. Tomorrow we're gonna have baked chicken thighs. Okay, guys, so I'm about to just squeeze some lime on here. I'm gonna squeeze all the rest later, and then all I'm gonna do is put some Ifis on there, y'all. If you Haitian, you know what this is. I'm about to put that all over, and then I'm gonna mix everything together, and I'll show y'all what that looks like when I'm done. Ifis is Haitian seasoning, y'all. All right, y'all, this is what it looks like when it's seasoned. I'm gonna let this season overnight and make it for dinner tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas day 7, y'all. Good morning. I've been working on wigs all last night, all this morning, and you guys could watch me do that for a little bit. My little brother is in class. So I'm trying to be low, but so I'm working on wigs here, getting these orders out tomorrow morning, or tomorrow, anytime tomorrow. I'm about to take a break and run some errands, but for now you guys can just watch me complete some wigs, and yeah, I will be done with all. I have 5, I think, to do today. I will be done with 90% today, okay? But everything will be shipped out tomorrow. All right, y'all, so the first stop is I'm going to my credit union. Then I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store. If I don't find the blow dryer that I want, I'm gonna go to Walmart for a blow dryer. Oh, I hate going to Walmart so much, but it is what it is. Gotta do what I gotta do for the brand, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and after that I have some other stuff to do, but we gonna see from there what I'm gonna do. But yeah, y'all, on our way to the bank. Gotta get this shit. I got what I needed from the bank, y'all. Now I am at the beauty supply store. Okay, guys. They never have magenta here. Yes, they have magenta today. I love this color. One of these. I always wanted one of these. Hold on. Let's see, y'all. We're gonna see price differences. As a small business owner, as just a person in general in life, you just gotta be frugal. Which one should I get, y'all? I don't see prices. Like tailor crowns, lace tint. Don't y'all love seeing black-owned businesses products out there? So this is what I end up getting, y'all. Ooh, I dropped one. All right, y'all. I'm racked up on. Oh snap! It's drizzling out here. I'm racked up on dome caps. So. Ooh, I should be good, y'all. For a while. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm going to end up going to Walmart for a blow dryer because they were taxing, y'all. The cheapest blow dryer. This is the wrong thing I wanted to take off. The cheapest blow dryer was like $30. Ain't nobody paying no $30. The blow dryer that just broke of mine was, I bought it at the thrift store, but like, yeah. So the one that I just brought, the one that just broke, I had it for like 2-3 years, and I brought it from the thrift store. So I'm not paying $30 for no blow dryer. I'm gonna go to Walmart and get me another cheap one. Even though the one that I just broke was from the thrift store, but I'm about to get me like a $20 one at Walmart. Ain't nobody paying no $30. That's a $10 difference. That's money I could use to invest in my business. No, but seriously, you know, when it comes to my products, I don't want to be cheap, but at the same time, I want to do what's, you know, best for my company. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to my aunt's house, and then I think that's gonna be my last stop for today. I don't know if I want to go to Walmart today. I may go today, I may go tomorrow, we'll see. Oh shoot, I may go today. I was supposed to go to okay, we'll talk later, y'all. Hey y'all, I'm back home. I'm cooking, and then I'm gonna go back to Wigs. So it's going in the oven, y'all. I'm not gonna make these barbecue because my mom don't like sweet chicken. That's what she calls it, sweet chicken. Viandous. She don't want viandous. That's a Haitian. That's how the Haitians say it. But we just gonna put that in the oven, and I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all. So this is what the barbecue chicken look like. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Something light, nothing special, nothing extra. So now I'm about to make the vegetables, and I'm making the vegetables so plain. I'll show y'all my plating when I'm done. I just had to show y'all one more time how good this looks, y'all. Oh my god. Okay, I'm about to plate. Y'all, this is dinner. Y'all remember the sauce? I drizzled it right on top of my veggies, and this is my dinner with the side of punch. Okay. Yo, that food was good, but that punch though. That punch though. So we're going some wigs. I'm gonna get on live, and you guys can watch me as I do so, okay? All right, y'all. I'm about to get on Instagram live. Wait a minute. I need this for Instagram live. Hold on right quick. Let me put it on this thing. Hey y'all, so it's like 1 in the morning. I'm still working on wigs. I have a couple more to do. I'm gonna finish what I cannot finish this morning, in the morning. So in a couple hours, I'll wake up to finish what I didn't do because all these wigs need to ship tomorrow, honey. Tomorrow, honey. All these wigs, I have 5 wigs that need to ship tomorrow. And then, like I said, I'm waiting on another package this week so I can ship out the rest. In the name of Jesus, it will come by Thursday, latest Friday, so that I can get these wigs out by Saturday and I'll be done for the week. Celebrate. But yes, guys, so I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 7, and I will wake up in a couple hours to record Vlogmas Day 8. I've decided to just continue vlogging daily rather than doing the weekly vlog because it's gonna be weird to just do it weekly. So y'all pray for me that I make it through. Yeah, all right, good night y'all, bye.